你好. Now, we are going to learn the characters about likes and dislikes. 喜欢means like. This word has got two characters, 喜 and 欢. The character 喜 looks very complicated. It has so many lines. I'm going to break this up to help you to understand this character. The top part of this character, this is 是. So originally it means soldier. And the middle bits, don't break this up because this square is not the mouth. It's a drum. And underneath, it's exactly like a stand. So this is a stand. It's holding a drum. Even though we knew this square indicating a mouth, but over here it's a drum. So a soldier is playing on the drum, is hitting the drum, so that when he's playing on the drum, when he's celebrating something, so it has something to make him happy. So underneath is a mouth. So when the person is happy, opens up his mouth. So 喜 original meaning is happy. So when the soldier is celebrating something, he's laughing and he's playing on the drum. 欢, it means happy as well. So obviously we can see this is a person. It's a person. So on the top, originally it's a person opening up his mouth. When is the person opening up his mouth? When he's happy. So the left-hand side is indicating a hand. So the person is happy, 欢喜, happy, 欢, happy. Put them together, like. Okay, so the opposite word for 喜欢 is 不喜欢. The character 不 originally is like the roots of a tree because the roots are underneath the ground, so you can't see, so it's no. So that's why it's called 不. So nowadays we use 不 as no for negative word. So 喜欢 like, 不喜欢 don't like. If you like something, you quite like something, you can say 我很喜欢. For example, I quite like running. 我很喜欢跑步. And if you really like something, the degree is going higher, so you can say 我非常喜欢 something. Now, let's have a look at the character 很. On the left-hand side, it's two slashes here. It's indicating a road. So maybe the stick here is indicating a branch of the road. So it's a road. 很. So on the right, you see this is square in the middle. There is a line here. It's indicating eyes. So even though we have two eyes, we should really have two lines, but maybe for the convenience of writing, so people use one line to indicate person. So at the bottom it's a person. So the person is standing on the side of the road to looks worried, looks happy, but whatever, we've got to add an adjective after it. So 很, we normally use it to connect a subject and an adjective. For example, 我 is subject, 我很好 I am very good. Or 他很好 he is good. So, but if the degree is going higher, we use 非常. So 非 originally means no. So it's like, so 非 the character is like a bird. So the middle bit is like a bird, and the 3 lines on the left is indicating the lines on one wing, and on the right is lines on the other wing. So originally 飞 means to fly, but we have another character for fly. So this one is just indicating the pronunciation. So 飞 nowadays it means no, not. 长 original meaning is ordinary or normal. So 非常 not normal or extraordinary, not very not ordinary. So that's outstanding. So the character 长 actually on the top is like person, but can you see a person? It's hard. So obviously we can see the mouth. Maybe you can see this as shoulders, maybe, and this is a head with some hair, and underneath is originally it indicating clothes, like people wear skirts or pants. So 长 that's normal clothes. So but nowadays we lost the meaning of its original meaning, and nowadays just means 非常 extraordinary, not very normal. So, and the structure is subject plus 非常 and plus an adjective. For example, 他非常好 he is very good. But if you want to say he's not very good, you can use 不太. So here 不 change its tone. So because the character after 不 is going down, 太. So we got to raise this tone up, 不太. So he's not very good. We can say 他不太好. So in English, we use he is good. So it is a linking verb. But in Chinese sentence, we do not need a verb to form a complete sentence. We only need to use 很 or 非常 or 不太 to form a simple sentence. Example again, 他很好 he is good. 他非常好 he is very good. 他不太好 he is not very good. Now, can you remember all these characters? Hope you can.